Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and you know, every once in a while new employees come in at Stingaree Restaurant. In fact, they're hiring right now, and today I'm here with Michelle, one of the newest floor managers here at Stingaree Restaurant, but she brings a lot of experience. I know whenever Brad told me she was coming in, he was really excited about it because a lot of the experience you have. Let's talk about experience. You've been in the restaurant business forever.
Pretty much my whole life. I started when I was 20. I've left a couple of times, but this is where I'm home at the restaurant, so I like it. This is where I'm good.
Let's talk about where you've been, because you have Beaumont, Bridge City roots.
Yes, I grew up in Belmont. I worked at Madison's restaurant for 17 years as the GM, and I left right after COVID and opened a mobile dog grooming business. And it was really good when we first started, and then it just kind of plateaued. So actually a friend of Brad's called Brad and said, hey, this is Michelle, and you've met her, and I know you need a manager. So I came and interviewed for about 2 hours with Brad, and I started 5 days later.
Great. What do you think about that? You and I talk about the trip back and forth, and you know, if you know 124, she runs that every day. And when you get over the Highland Bridge, I always say if you can make it from the Highland Bridge to 1985 without hitting a hog or gator or possum, you're in good shape. You saw a gator, you said yesterday.
I saw a gator. I have not seen a hog, but I have killed 2 possums.
Oh my gosh. So, what do you think about Stingaree Restaurant?
I love it. I mean, I've been coming to Stingaree my whole life anyway. And I had only met Brad previously one time at the gumbo cook-off. But I mean, I love working here. It's great. Everybody here is nice. It's a very good restaurant family to have. Brad is a workhorse, and he's a great guy to work for. He just wants you to work, and that's what I'm here to do.
He gives you opportunities, and that's what I've said to a lot of people. Yes. Brad will always take care of you if you take care of Brad. And I've seen it. I've been around Brad for 20-some, 30 years.
He told me basically those same words in the interview that I came down here for, and as soon as I walked in on Thursday morning, it was evident that that's 100% true.
Great, great. Well, it's great having you as part of the Stingaree family. I'm in and out of here all the time. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, but you know, like I said, Brad sort of helped me get going when I started, and I've seen him help a lot of employees, especially in the wintertime when it's slow. He'll make sure you've got food on the table.
Yes.
So,
I mean, you can't really ask for a better manager, owner, boss than the kind of person that's going to take care of his people.
Right, right. So if you're looking for work, maybe you've been in the restaurant business, hospitality business, you can look up Michelle. You can find Stingaree online for contact and email information at stingaree.com. And welcome to the family in Bolivar.
Yep.
Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors. Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.